This here is my pirate bird called Phoebe. What?
I have to go outside. I don't know where my other bathing suit is.
Yeah, I think I just brought. Oh, it's on there. It's on the. It's on this thing.
And my stuff forgot.
Hello there, Phoebe. How be you today?
I can be.
You're my pirate bird for like I've known you for so many years. How many years have we known each other? Phoebe? You're an old girl, my Phoebe. Hi, pirate. My pirate girl. My sweet little girl. This is a wing cyst under here. Yeah? Pie. Cool. I want to go see what outside's like. Flying's not so good. Here we are, Phoebe. This is what the world looks like. Oh, it's sunny out today. It's a little girly one. There we go. You can't fly anymore, can you, my friend? That wing cyst is putting you down. Yeah, hello? Okay, good. It's a pretty girl. So beautiful. Is this nice here? You beautiful girl. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Little girlie. 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Okay, good. She needs to go. My baby. You are my baby. You can come out anytime. The beautiful flowers. There we go. There we go, my baby. Doop, doop.